Oh wait, no, that's propaganda. Let me take those off.
Got shoes under those socks.
Make sure you get this is how he runs.
No, actually, these come off. This is just to keep warm before I start.
Okay. How long have you been running?
Actually, this morning I've only run about a quarter with the dog.
In general.
Oh, well, I've always done some running since I learned how to run. Hi, Jeff. And I've always done some of my running barefoot since I was a kid.
And so you've built up calluses. You don't feel any?
No, actually, the cool thing is you actually get more sensitive so that you can respond more better.
Really? Okay.
More appropriately, and you get more gentle at running, more graceful.
Okay. And how do you do distance in terms of marathons?
I've done 77 marathons barefoot. I've done a 300 or more shorter races. I did a 50K once. I'm not really an ultra guy, so once was enough.
What are you running today?
10 miles.
10 miles.
And then a 2K obstacle course thing.
Okay. Are you all registered? Got your bib?
Okay.
See it.
And I have the other one on another shirt.
Okay. All right. So I hope to see you afterwards. I want to interview and get.
Although I have orange for the obstacle.
Oh, you do? Oh, you're doing that too? You're doing both, right?
Yeah, so I have orange shirt for that. So I look like, oh, he's got red.
Thank you.